These cookies from Suriname are easy to make and they are very tasty. You need just 5 to 6 ingredients and a few minutes of your time. Add cornstarch, 1 egg, some vanilla, and sugar together. Add butter and knead the dough. Cool the dough for 30 minutes in the fridge and form your balls. There's plenty dough for 20 to 25 cookies. So let's start and have lots of fun. Press the dough firmly to make sure that each cookie will stay together. It's a great exercise for the muscles, so enjoy the process. These cookies are very popular in Suriname, especially children like them very much. Press a pattern with a fork. This is optional. You could add some sprinkles on top, but it's not necessary. Just bake the cookies 10 to 15 minutes in the oven on 175 degrees. These gluten-free cookies are supposed to be white and to stay white, so turn the oven off after 10 to 15 minutes and let the cookies cool. Enjoy your cookies, they melt in your mouth, so it's a very pleasant surprise. Thanks for watching Vera's Lifestyle Wereld. Please like and subscribe.